So, what we call this motion. Bureau calls it 3D. But actually, this thing here, I'm going to pass this around to let you handle it, keep an eye watching as the TV goes along. I do expect it back though. What this thing is done in layers, and what it's done is it's like playing an optical illusion on you, because the bottom, there's 6 layers, and the bottom layer probably develops, little lines, borders, and blobs. What actually make it, I think you're seeing a bell in denomination 100. So, what makes this thing so special is because it's woven into the paper, not on it. And what really makes it special is because this thing comprises of about 875,000 micro lenses. Something like the pixels in your TV, only much, much tinier. So when you take this stuff and you hold it in your hand, you rock it back and forth, these images are going to go up and down. And when you go up and down, they go from side to side. So I can say it's a very good sport for the counterfeit. Another thing they did to make our new 100 very easy to recognize is they added more color shifting ink. When I say color shifting ink, you notice this copper ink well? Well, when you rock that back and forth, you're going to see a green Liberty color. That aspect is also done in this denomination. That'll go from green to copper, go over green. So anyhow, we'll get this started, and I'm going to let you guys pass it back and forth, so you can actually see what.
Advanced security features of the redesigned $100 note, the result of more than a decade of research. These new features are in addition to a number of familiar and highly effective security features used in previous designs. Learning about the latest security features will help you quickly and easily distinguish real notes from fake ones. But before we take a closer look at these features, remember that it's not necessary to trade in your old design $100 notes for new ones. All U.S. currency remains legal tender, no matter when it was issued. So why does the government redesign currency? With the addition of new and advanced security features, the government works to stay ahead of counterfeiters and keep counterfeiting low. In essence, protecting your money. The 2 new and easy-to-use security features in the redesigned $100 note give you a simple and subtle way to verify if the note is real.
Oh, yeah.
These can be easily checked by simply tilting the note. On the front of the $100 note, you will see the 3D security ribbon. This is the blue ribbon that contains images of bells and 100s. By tilting the note back and forth while focusing on the blue ribbon, you will see the bells appear to both move and change to 100s. Tilting the note back and forth makes the bells and 100s appear to move side to side. Tilting it side to side makes them appear to move up and down. Note that the 3D security ribbon is woven into the paper, not printed on it, and does not add to the overall thickness of the $100 note. This ribbon uses nearly 1 million microlenses to create the illusion that the bells and 100s are moving. We call this the 3D security ribbon because the bells and 100s seem to float above the ribbon, making the ribbon appear three-dimensional. The other new advanced security feature is called the bell in the inkwell. Look on the front of the note for a color-shifting bell inside a copper inkwell. Both the inkwell and the bell are copper-colored until you move the note. By tilting the $100 note, you will see the bell change from copper to green. This effect makes the bell seem to appear and disappear within the inkwell. Like the 3D security ribbon, the bell in the inkwell feature is difficult for counterfeiters to effectively reproduce. These 2 security features, in addition to some features used in previous designs, will protect U.S. currency and help you easily distinguish real notes from fake ones. In addition to the 2 new security features, the redesigned $100 note includes an a number of other design and security features that help prevent the note from being counterfeited. Let's take a look at them. First, the note contains a portrait watermark